So we are going to look at how we turn a table into ordered pairs. Remember, when we have a table, we have inputs and we have outputs. These inputs and outputs are the same thing on a graph. The inputs are X and the outputs are Y. We want to change this table into ordered pairs so that we can graph them. Remember, ordered pairs look like this: X, Y. So if I want to change a table into an ordered pair, I just need to look at what input goes with what output. So if I look first at 0, 0 matches to -5. 2 matches to -1. 3 matches to 1. And 4 matches to 3. These are now ordered pairs that I could put on a graph. So 0, -5 is going to be the point right here. 2, -1 will be the point right here. 3, 1, and 4, 3. So I have converted a table into ordered pairs, which I can then graph. Let's try this one more time. Again, I have inputs and I have outputs. So I'm going to change them into ordered pairs, which then I'm going to put on a graph. So -3 matches with -8, 0 matches with 1, 2 matches with 3, and 7 matches with 6. Remember, when I want to put these on a graph, I am looking at how far left or right I go, and then how far up or down. So I'm going to go left 3, down 8. 0, 1 means I don't go left or right, and I just go up. 2, 3, and then right 7, up 6, to create another graph. So this is how we convert a table into ordered pairs, which we can then put on a graph.